fucking scumbags want to close the fucking exit. The only fucking exit. If I get stuck on the fucking bridge or in the middle of a residential, I ain't gonna be so fucking pissed. At least this is all I can fucking get satisfaction from right now. See, I told that dumb fucking laborer. Oh well, sorry. Fuck you all. Fuck you all. Scumbags. Poor planning jackasses. Oh look, everybody else is coming with me!
Definitely calling for the cops. Ain't no fucking way. Ain't no fucking way, bro. Yo, bro. Why'd you gotta do that, man? Ain't nothing fucking wrong with that car. Now look.